think debt is always bad? Think again. Smart debt can build wealth. Here are 20 ways to use debt to make more money. Let's go. 1. Leverage a mortgage, buy property, rent it out, let tenants pay your loan. 2. HELOC, tap home equity for smart investments. 3. Business loans, scale a business without draining savings. 4. Real estate flipping, borrow, renovate, sell for profit. 5. House hacking, rent part of your home to cover your mortgage. 6. Cash out refinancing, reinvest your home's value into high-growth assets. 7. Buying stocks on margin, use borrowed money to multiply stock gains, carefully. 8. SBA loans, start or expand a business with low-interest government loans. 9. Debt recycling, convert bad debt into good debt. 10. Student loans, invest in education that boosts earning potential. 11. Car loans for business use, tax benefits plus increased income potential. 12. Peer-to-peer lending, borrow to invest in other people's ventures. 13. Using credit cards wisely, earn cash back, travel rewards, and invest savings. 14. Retail arbitrage, buy inventory on credit, sell for profit. 15. Crypto loans, borrow against crypto assets without selling them. 16. Franchise financing, get a loan to open a profitable franchise. 17. Invoice financing, use unpaid invoices as collateral for business growth. 18. Rental arbitrage, rent a property, sublet on Airbnb for profit. 19. Life insurance loans, borrow against cash value policies for investments. 20. 401k loans, borrow from your retirement fund for smart reinvestments. Debt isn't the enemy, bad debt is. Use these 20 smart strategies and watch your wealth grow. Which one will you try? Comment below. Like, share, and follow for more money tips.